What's up, people? Convicted marketer Lawrence Aponte here, back at you with another crypto video. Okay, in this episode of All in Crypto, we're going to be doing a news update. We're going to be going all over the crypto news that's been going on in the last 24 to 48 hours. We'll also do a market overview to kind of see of the direction that we're currently at and that we're going to be going. Really quick, if you haven't already and you enjoy crypto content, go ahead and subscribe to my channel because I'll be posting videos 3 to 4 times per week and you don't want to miss out. So yeah, with that said and done, let's just kind of jump right in. All right, so looking at CoinMarketCap, you can see that we are very, very healthy. First of all, we have a 2.3 trillion market cap on cryptocurrency overall. And I'd say the majority of the coins are in green. You can see Dogecoin, which we'll be talking about here shortly, but they're up to 59 cents, where I've seen them actually peak at around 67 cents within the last few hours. Litecoin, you can see here surging 13%, almost hitting their all-time high. Uniswap is up. Chainlink almost at $50. I mean, there is a lot of market moving. Ethereum Classic up 30%, crossing over $77. If we go look at the total percentage of the dominance, you can see that Bitcoin has been at a steady decline. Even if we go to let's go to the last 3 months, and you can see that just 3 months ago, early February, Bitcoin's dominance was just around over 60%. And you can see that it's been at a steady move over the past few months, 59, 58, 57, 56. And then in essence, you can see altcoins, Ethereum, Litecoin, all of these are just moving up. So I think that alt season is on the brink of passing, and we will jump into it very soon. We'll just kind of keep on our eye on this dominance and see how low Bitcoin will go. Because if we were to see back in 2017, when we had the original alt season, the very first one, you can see Bitcoin's dominance drop dramatically. And this is when everybody knew we were in alt season, right around this time. And at one point, it was around 37% of dominance. And right now, we're just right around 47, so 10% more than where we were at back in 2017 when alt season was in full effect. Okay, so this is interesting because Uniswap version 3 is scheduled to launch today, and they're saying that it could be the spark of the new DeFi boom. Okay, everybody's yelling DeFi summer. So with version 3 of Uniswap coming in, I think it's going to be great, especially when they try to implement the layer 2 in July, which will reduce the fees dramatically. And I think it'll give a lot of projects with smaller market caps accessibility, because with the fees being so high, people don't want to pay $30, $40, $50, $100 for a transaction. So once this is in full effect, I think that we're going to definitely see a boom. If we look at Uniswap, they're up about 4 or 5% since yesterday, right around $43. A lot of movement going on, a lot of volume. So we'll see what version 3 kind of brings in way. This was an interesting article that I read on Finbold. Hundreds of U.S. banks ask for Bitcoin as customers are pouring money into crypto exchanges. So they're saying that based on the data that's going on, okay, the data, clients are literally just taking money from their bank account and throwing it into crypto exchanges. So now the banks, it seems like they want a piece of this, and they're the FIS, which is the Fidelity National Information Services, are launching. Says they're launched here to act as a vendor with almost 300 million checking accounts. So this is where mass adoption is really coming in, and where people are going to have checking accounts, are going to have automatic accessibility to these crypto exchanges. Super, super bullish. This is very good news. And yeah, we'll just kind of keep an eye on this once it starts getting implemented. It says JP Morgan, Chase, Bank of America, they're going to be the ones that are going to be enrolling in this. And we all know that those are the major banks in the US. Dogecoin, guys. Dogecoin nears 70 cents as rally continues. a lot of people have kind of mixed emotions about Dogecoins. You either love it or you either hate it. And you know, it's kind of amazing because you can see where cryptocurrency is, and this, where it started off as a joke, has literally turned into Doge being the number 4 on coin market cap. So I think this is great. You can see it says it's up 37% from the previous day, which was, this was posted yesterday. And it's now at $86.7 billion market cap. Okay, which it says it's worth more than FedEx, British American Tobacco, and Mondelez. Really sure who Mondelez is. It says it's a drinking company. But then it also says that, look, Robinhood, the trading app, crashed. How convenient. When there was spike in Dogecoin, prompted high levels of user activity. Yeah, there's no surprise here. Robinhood, that's been happening, and turning off trading and that. And actually, Saturday, Elon Musk is going to be doing a skit on Saturday Night Live, and it's going to be supposed to be around Dogecoin. So we're going to see exactly how that turns out, and if it kind of brings up a spike. But this was also an interesting article on Dogecoin as well, where it says if you would have invested your stimulus money into Dogecoin, you'd have over $500,000. How crazy is that? Spike, if you would have got in right around here and you'd put that $1,200. $1,200 investment in April 2020 would be worth $439,000. Isn't that crazy? Makes you go, Now, as I mentioned, yeah, they're right around 61 cents. So we're going to keep an eye on this. Saturday, we're still a few days away. So I think, personally, Dogecoin will reach $1. I know that a lot of people are waiting for Dogecoin to reach $1. So I'm assuming that a lot of people are going to sell at $1. So let's see how long the price can stabilize. But once you guys always know, whatever goes down or whatever goes up must come down. So there's always going to be correction. But the thing with Doge has been that it's been correcting, and it's been just kind of reaching that level of support and going higher. So we'll keep an eye on Doge, meme coin. This was a good article also that I read. Stellar and Visa join forces with fintech startup to bank the unbanked. So Stellar, as we all know, they are in the banking enterprise. And they've been working closely with banks and Visa and all these payment processors, trying to have them use the blockchain. And this article is just saying that they're basically going into third world countries that don't have a lot of banking. Tanzania, Mexico, Kenya, India. So they're definitely trying to get more mass adoption and get more of the enterprise into it, which is great because, essentially we want the entire population running on blockchain and fintech and all this good stuff that's going on. And you can see Venezuela says they're taking refuge in cryptocurrencies. A lot of third world countries which are suffering from poverty and economic downtimes, they're turning to crypto because they're not losing money, right? They're not deflating, but instead the money is going through a huge inflation, right? So this dollar you have today is not the dollar you have tomorrow. As opposed with cryptocurrency, yeah, there's volatility, but overall the markets are rising. So it seems like a better stake for countries or anybody in that scenario. But you see Venezuela is going to cryptocurrencies. Also Nigeria, you can see their trading volume is over $1.5 billion. Okay, that is kind of crazy because Nigeria, we all know the economy is down in Nigeria, and it's considered a third world country, but with $1.5 billion in trading volume, that says a lot. Steller has had a nice little rise over the past 24 hours, up almost 16%, right around 60 cents. And yeah, so I'll definitely keep an eye on this and see further developments. What we're also being seen is in the NFT space, that there's a lot more licensed and reputable companies jumping into the NFT space and trying to launch these limited editions. So we can see Star Wars, they're going to be launching 800 limited edition collectibles. They're going to be available on this website here, Starcoal, so you can actually register for early access. Another one that I've seen is UFC. They're going to be launching an MMA fan token on the Chili's blockchain. So this is another reputable company. UFC has millions and millions of fans. So it's going to be having a token launch with a max supply of 20 million tokens. There's going to be no pre-sale. And yeah, so I think that's going to be something good. You know, it just can bring more mass adoptions. I don't really know the utility behind it, but I'm sure it's going to be on the white paper, probably to go to events and good stuff. We can see boxer Tyson Fury. He teams up with Hudui to sell some more NFTs. Okay. And yeah, so overall, it seems like the NFT market's booming, fintech's booming, DeFi's booming, cryptocurrency. I'm super bullish on it overall. If you enjoyed that crypto news update, guys, please be sure to subscribe to the channel and also give this video a thumbs up because it really, helps the algorithm out, helps the video get a little bit more reach. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.